Earth is a beautiful and vibrant planet, teeming with diverse forms of life and breathtaking landscapes. From towering mountains and vast oceans to lush forests and rolling plains, nature provides a home for millions of species and a source of wonder for humanity. The Earth's natural systems, air, water, soil, and ecosystems work in harmony to sustain life, offering the resources we need to survive and thrive. Nature also inspires awe and creativity, reminding us of the delicate balance that connects all living things. Protecting the Earth and its environment is vital for preserving this incredible gift for future generations.